Hello Zimbabwe, this is One Bamala for One Bamala Entertainment, proudly representing Utakataka Express. Our journey began in Zimbabwe as we traveled to South Africa to represent our nation at the Palapala Music Festival. We arrived in Thohoyandou on Friday. On Saturday morning, we had our sound check. Then spend the rest of the day at the hotel, preparing for the night ahead. In the evening, we went to Nandoni Dam, where Utakataka Express delivered a powerful performance.
Yes, sir. Da! What do you say? I think I'm the only person from Zimbabwe, and I want to thank you. I've only had 30 minutes, and I'm going to do my best tonight. Please help me celebrate my first time to be in Venda.
Moyo. Kumbati chauya zvenyu asikwete izvezvi tisati nonoki asikumbati sei chauya guys. Kumbati chauya but not anytime soon. Anyways, kumbati nazongouya.
Tura iwe.
Kumba ndouya. Kumbati chauya but ndichati nonoki. Kumbati chauya but tinogona kuti nonoke. We don't want to go back. We don't want to go back to Zimbabwe, guys. We don't want to go back. On Sunday, we visited the mall.
Young Fantan,
meet Young Fantan. Young Fafa. Young Fantan. 1/4 rand. So were the boys. Yeah. We've arrived at Tavani Mall with the guys, all of them. Very poor Kumanaj. So this was our conductor. This was conductor. Yeah, Young Fantan, Young Fafa Wepatem. Yes, that's Young Fantan. Young Fantan, there's a camera ka Young Fantan. Fafa. Fantan Wanda. Zaparo. Young Fafa. So we're on the convoy. Yellow, beautiful. So we are now this is Burger King, KFC. Roots Grill. So here are the boys. So my yellow bun, yes. Yeah. Nice stuff. Yeah. Yeah. So we are by Mo. That's where we are at now. Tavani. It's a what ferry. Pisa isu atinzgo weather tunetakafika weird. So this is Roko Mamas. We've been here. Yesterday we were here. So this is the entrance to the mall. This is Tavani Mo Igwe. We've been here before. I was here meeting. We're here like yesterday. We're here. So it is what it is, guys. This is the mall. So now Wakomana Mall. We have them. Meeting them ladies, them couples inside of the mall. Guys are in town. So this is Leacock spot. This is where I bought my incredible connection sports scene. Gistaro. The big boys. We meeting them ladies, beauty, pretty. Ha. This Gistaro. John Greg, relay jeans. Main ladies. So there's downstairs there. Yeah. This mall is big. There's downstairs. We are upstairs. Exact. Fix. Kusina maya kuyendwe. Waenda ko unofane kupondwa iwe. Aya guys ndo anonzi Zimbabweans. They don't even know what they're looking for. They are everywhere. Just moving around like unclean spirits. They're just here.
Good food.
Yeah, good food baba.
Soko yone.
Aiwa kumbati chauya but chati nonoke.
Aiwa tikunonoka. Ndandakati ndiri kuya mangwananga. Ndawedzera rimwe wiki.
Kumbati chauya but chati nonoke. With Mashudu, the boys.
Brother Mashudu.
Yeah, Mashudu eating health stuff here.
You look at this.
Mashudu eating health stuff.
Look at this.
Healthy, everything. Amana. Mazimbo in SA, they are full. Nguanika pese in the streets. Now wakumana. Now, come on, I have the guys. I have the guys here.
The best manager in South Africa.
The boys are in SA. Rumborama rounds. Nunga, chichi. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Utakataka Express. Not Yatonga Moyo. This Utakataka Express ya Peter Moyo Dewa. Yes. Yes. Yes, boss. Yes. Pese ngotudzira boys. Mapanjo. Yes. This is Utakataka Express ya Peter Dewa, not Yatonga Moyo. Yes, the big boys. Yeah, usafende. Aiwa, kuma nomboro ma rounds. So the bells. They're about to do some shopping. Yeah, akanotsa. Ali, hakuna kwa tunaenda tafika.
Moyo ni kisina yafa.
All right.
Juda. Yeah, no fair. Bonongwe.
I not understood. Mina nkona check mina available wayo. I saw dabo ama parents akola nginyapo dispatch. So anga wasi sindebele mina ngiwasi siventa baba. Asunta bene grand. Ngumpa umkonzi. Unkulunkulu.
The big boss.
Utakataka Express nguroma rounds mjoza ka.
Aiwa mboro maja.
Nguroma rounds mjoza na mkuru.
Yeah, so this is the other side of SA. The best DJ. Yes. Do kuti Venda. Venda what?
At University of Venda.
Yes.
FM.
Yes.
1948, yeah.
This is the best. Okay. Ipi acho? Ombe. Auko kule akuvarwe.
Yes.
Tavani mo.
So today I'm going to host my show from 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock. But I will arrange with them, which means maybe we will take only 10 minutes for interview. I must go with them to University of Venda and show you them.
Thank you, my big boss. Then, my boss.
Yes.
We call him Boss Magraz.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah.
Always busy on the phone.
Yeah. What can I do? We're trying to resolve these issues. After all, it's Utakataka music supporter for life.
Yes.
Under what circumstances? Rather charge gas proper Jesus speed kakumbuke zenya fulana kukabasa. Azofisha kunogunya kusafi.
This one nice couple, huh? It's
Maria, Shumba Machita, Watera Fore, Merci Mokozi, Papa. Hansi, Wutsimo Kudo, Urumukomo Sokutu Kuruka Kwaroka, Nutaspiranda Umbera. Hansi, don't go to Comanzi.
You know the SAO, you guys. Ladies everywhere. Pretty. Nivakashata zvese. Juda Makanika Nyago dispatch. Aiwa, bro. It's on past forward to. So now with the boys we are going to Tavanimo. That's where we're going. But the blick. Timu ya Igwe, usatambene timu ya Igwe. Timu ya Igwe, usatambene timu ya Igwe. Timu ya Igwe, usatambene timu ya Igwe. Pretty ladies everywhere. Cool. Yeah, it's green. Kanaka. But you gonna like after every 5 minutes, no go chona scanner. Why is it? After every 5 minutes, you go chona scanner. Deny. My streets. Kuno. After every 2 minutes, you see a girl, a different one.
I'm by Corona Hotel.
I was by Corona Hotel. I was there, but after every 2 seconds, you see some ladies. I was now international manager.
International manager.
The problem is to support Man City. So guys, we are by Tavanimo. Here? Here? Where are you shopping? Yeah. Moyo. I can see what shopper. Muradu mune mchidura munhu motsano natika. Take it town. John Craig. Nezu. Ganana apfeka there. Walking downtown. This is my kind of fashion. Roberto Vinho. This is nice. So guys, it's been a hectic weekend. We're about to leave for this. They're nice. Very. So in a bit we'll be leaving SA, Thohoyandou to be precise, heading back home to Zimbabwe. So this is Tavanimo, this is the polo shop. This is the polo shop here. So these are them ladies, the shop. So anytime from now we leave the polo shop again. So ndizo zikuitika apa ndinenge ndichiona ine vana vavo. Since it's a weekend, so that's Peter, Moyo and the bands. This is mountain, river, space, tech branches. So it's getting dark outside, so we're going outside. Outside, boom! When you're inside, as if it's getting dark. But was Ubuda Panze, was one Anavaya and the mother and what? So this is the outside. See more outside everywhere, nyash. Every nyash holding bread, nyash. I'm homesick.
Let's go to bed.
Igwe, hands is off. Hands up.
32 minutes.
We are homesick.
32 minutes.
Guys, come on, where's the rest?
I don't know, my friend. They know where to come. No, but they don't know where we're going. Anyway, we don't want any problems.
Going, just walking around. In the first place, he wasn't supposed to live. Beautiful girls, how are you doing? And the dome tag. Replay. This replay. This one is video. That one is going crazy. That one. This is the other side of the mall. What do I say? Huh? Yeah, we are here. We're having fun here. We're having fun currently here. Yeah.
Amana.
Ma Zimbabweans. Ebo, pabo malo. Bade blik. Judah. Bade blik. Pabo malo. Later that day, we left Thohoyandou and traveled back to Zimbabwe. So until next time, for the Thohoyandou. That was
Utakataka
our journey to
Express. We are
South
signing
Africa,
out.
flying the Zimbabwean flag high
It's a
and
beautiful
keeping
city.
the Moyo legacy.